Okay, level 4 is solving and manipulating literal equations. So you're not going to find one value for x. You're going to have multiple variables in your answer. So this might be a little bit weird, but hang with me. Here we go. If I'm solving for y, okay, here's y. Here's the term that y is with. So just like any other thing, we would get everything away from that term and then take care of just whatever's being multiplied or divided. So with this ax, pretend like this was just a number. If it was 3 plus 2/3 y, you would tell me to subtract the 3. Well, that's exactly what you're going to do here. You're going to subtract ax from both sides. This part is going to equal 0, and you're going to be left with 2/3 y equals, now on the right side, you can't put together c and ax as one term. So you're going to leave it as two separate terms. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to take care of is the 2/3. You're going to multiply by 3/2 to clear out that fraction. You're going to multiply this whole side by 3/2. So you're left with just y on that side, and I'm going to bring this 3/2 to the front. And that will be it. Okay, so you got y by itself, which is exactly what you wanted, and you've got everything else on the other side. All right, taking a look at a little different one. Now the variable that we want is in the denominator of the fraction. Well, anytime you've got a fraction, let's just go ahead and cross multiply here. So you got r times d plus w equals 1 times 1, which is just 1. Okay, again, here is your variable that you want. So you want everything else around it gone. You can distribute the r in, that's fine. We could also just we could divide both sides by r since r is being multiplied. But I think a lot of you guys would want to distribute that r in there. So that's what I'll do. So rd plus rw equals 1. Again, here's the variable that I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and subtract rd. So you got rw equals 1 minus rd. And now finally, to get w by itself, you're going to divide everything by r. And the reason why you can't simplify this anymore is because not all the terms have an r in it. So you're just going to leave it just like that.